In this video, I will cover ratio and proportion. Ratio. It is a comparison of two numbers by division. Example, 3 out of 5 bags are blue. So 3 over 5 fraction form. We also can indicate as 3 to 5 colon form, 3 to 5 phrase form, 3 divided by 5 division form. So we can indicate ratio by any of these forms. Rate. A ratio of two measurements with different units. Example, Sam is driving car at 90 kilometers every 45 minutes. Write this as a rate in kilometer per hour. Suppose Sam is driving x kilometers per hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes as we know. Distance divided by time is equal to x. X is in kilometer per hour, but in problem it is given in minutes, 45 minutes. So we need to change this hour to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Means x kilometer per 60 minutes. Here x is kilometer per hour is equal to 90 divided by 45. Here 90 kilometer per 45 minutes. So here x divided by 60 is equal to 90 divided by 45. 45 times 2 is equal to 90. So 2 divided by 1. We multiply both sides with 60. So here 60, 60, both factors will cancel. So x divided by 120 km per hour. So Sam is driving his car at 120 km per hour. Next unit rate. It is a rate in which the denominator is 1. Example, Sam is driving car at 90 km every 45 minutes. Write this as a unit rate. Here value is given in minutes and this value is given in kilometers. So we need to determine unit rate in kilometer per 1 minute. So unit rate is equal to 90 kilometers per 45 minutes. 45 times 2 is equal to 90. So 2 kilometer per minute. So this is unit rate. Denominator is 1. If we want to find out unit rate in kilometer per hour for same example, we need to convert this minute into 1 hour. So we will multiply this value with 60 over 60. So 120 divided by 60 kilometer per minute. 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So 120 kilometer per hour. So this is unit rate in kilometer per hour. Proportions. It is an equation that shows two ratios are equal. Example, 6 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by 2. These both ratios are equal, so it is proportions. Example, the ratio of blue pens to black pens is 7 to 9. If there are 64 pens total, how many blue pens are there? Here total pens are given. Also ratio is given 7 to 9 from blue pens to black pens. So we will put equation as we have number of total pens. So blue pen divided by total pen is equal to number for blue pen in ratio divided by total number for both pens in ratio. So blue pens are 7 and total number for pens are 7 plus 9. So here 7 and 7 plus 9. Suppose blue pens are x, then x divided by 64. Total pen are 64. So 64 is equal to 7 divided by 7 plus 9. Now we got the equation is equal to 7 divided by 16. Now we will multiply both sides with 64. These both factors will cancel. 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So x is equal to 28. 28 blue pens. So black pens are 64 minus 28. Here 64 are total pens. Hope this video helped you understand ratio and proportion. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.